A step-by-step mail merge wizard is a very useful feature when you need to send almost similar content with a little modification or personalization for individuals uh, to a lot of persons or a lot many people. So we'll see how this step-by-step mail merge wizard works. So for this, you need to go to the tab Mailings tab of MS Word. MS Word. Here you need to click here, Start Mail Merge Wizard. When you just take your cursors to here, it reads that create one document and send it to multiple people. And you have to click here. Then these are all the options, but you have to click on a step-by-step Mail Merge Wizard. As you click there, you see in the here on the right panel, there are again the same options: letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, directory, but we'll be sending letters. So now we are sending details of a student's attendance for the month of March to their guardian. So we'll need addresses of the guardian, student's name, their attendance details, etc. So this is the reading here. Step 1 of 6. You need to uh, select this letters and then next. When you click on next, it says that how do you want to set up your letters. So use the current document or start from a template or start from existing document. So we are starting afresh. So you'd be use the current document and then click on next. Step 2 of 6, click select recipients. In the select recipients, you again get this option: use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts, or type a new list. So we'll choose type a new list. In type a new list, as you select, you get this create text. You need to create, click on this, and this box opens. Here you can see title, first name, surname, company name, address name. So there's the standard fields are there, standard column headings are there, and you can enter a new entry, find or delete entry, and customize columns. So we'll click on customize columns. Title is fine, where we enter Mr., Mrs., or Sri, Srimati, etc. First name and surname are there. We don't need company name, so we'll delete it. So when you delete field company name or any information in this field will also be deleted. So we have not entered any information already. We are just deleting it. We also removing this county. Delete, yes. We are deleting country or region also. Or instead of deleting, we'll rename it as state. STATE, state. For the time being, we are just removing this work phone. We don't need work phone, just home phone would be enough. So we are deleting it. Email addresses also we are not entering now, so we are deleting that. And after this title page, we are inserting one more field for guardian's name. So you write guardian's name. So this field, as you see, it has been entered. First name is there. We can rename it as student's first name. So this field is modified. Again, rename it student's surname. Okay. Address line 1, address line 2. This is city. We can enter a city's name or town's name. Postcode, we can rename it as just simply PIN. State and home phone. So these are the fields that we need for address. We click OK, and then we can enter a guardian's name first. So Sri, guardian's name that we enter is Deepak Singh. Then student's first name. So here we'll be entering just the first name of a student. So it's like first name is Anvi, then Singh is student surname. In address line 1, we can enter some random addresses or house number. So second floor 78, and in address line 2 we enter Gomti Nagar. In city we can enter uh, Lucknow. In pin we can enter state is Uttar Pradesh, so we enter Uttar Pradesh. Then in home phone you just enter a random number starting with 1, so the 6 digit, and 2 more digit, 4 more digit. Okay, so that's home phone. And so this is first entry. If you need to make more entry, you click on new entry and then you again enter it here. So you will be entering all the details in this way. So again write 3, and so we click on OK. So as we click on OK, it asks us to save the file. So we save the file in some folder. So I have already created a folder on mm, uh, desktop. Just type it. You can give any name. I'm just giving it address list, and then click on save button. So uh, these are some more options of sorting, filtering the records, or finding duplicates. So we have limited addresses, so we don't need to do that right now. So we just click on OK. So this step is completed, and then the next step is write your letter. So you would be writing a letter. So writing a letter is uh, just remove this text. So we start by should be using a normal fonts. So just remove it. 2. Then we can mention a date. Date is like 24 April 2023. We can enter here. Okay, so now we need to place guardian's name. So for guardian's name, you need to enter here. So we'd not be actually enter guardian's name, just be entering the this fields or column headings. So you need to click on these more items. From here, choose guardian's name, double click, and then close. Then again, place on enter button, click on more items, pick address line 1, then if this is repeated, one field is deleted, then you can just select your backspace, press enter, again click more items, insert address line 2, then close, press enter, click on more items, then you need to enter city, select city. You can either double click on city or just click choose select city and then insert, then close it. Then we enter just a dash, then more items, and then this pin, then close, again press enter, click on more items, then select state, then close. We are not entering a mobile number right now, so just you'd be using this, or you can just enter if you like. So if you need to enter mobile number, you click on more items and home phone and close. So you see there are certain gaps between lines, so we try to remove the lines from here. Paragraph settings, click on here, remove a space after photographs, and these lines would be deleted or removed. The space between the lines would be removed. Now we place just press enter button and write subject, and here would be stating that the students' attendance details for the month of March 2023. So here we would be inserting more items, a student's first name, then just give one space and again click on more items, then a student's surname, then close, give a apostrophe and then s, and then so that would read like uh, Neha Reddy's attendance details for the month of March 2023. Press enter. Then you can write dear or respected. So, dear parents, oblique guardian, and then we can write uh, you can just type attendance details for the month of March 2023 of your ward. We can just enter, if you like, just enter first name or both first name and surname. Here we are just entering this student's first name. So the student's first name would appear here, then close it. You write R as follows, press enter. Then we would be showing here the uh, various subjects being studied by the student in the current semester. So using course code, course title, and then attendance percent. So this is insert table, and we need 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns, and there are 5 records and 1 for heading. So we'd be having 6 rows and 4 columns. So here we use it for serial number. Then for serial number we need you can enter 1, 2, 3, 4. How many subjects? Four are enough. So just write 4 subjects. uh, Delete cells, you need delete entire row. We need to narrow this first column. Then we write course code, course title, and attendance percent in March. March 2023. Course code, we can choose some course code like CMRC 3016. You can paste it, and if there are similar codes, so CM16, then 17, 18, 19. We can narrow this column, and then course title. So cost accounting and entrepreneurship. Okay, so we forgot to uh, enter the details of attendance percent in these various courses. So right now, so for that we need to click on this edit recipient list, select address list mdb here .mdb, then click edit, and we need to customize the columns again. So that is, as you have so it's just asking us to save. Click on yes. Now we add 4 more fields here just after a student's uh, first name, and then add field's name in that we are entering CMRC 3016. Click OK, then add CMRC 3017, again add CMRC 3018, and one more CMRC 3019. So we have entered it here, then we click on OK. Now we see that these fields are CMRC 3016, 1718, and 19 are blank. So for respective students, the student's first name is visible here, would be entering some random percentage. So we can enter 94%, then 92%. Tab key helps to go to next fields. 97%, 24% again. So you would be entering all this thing. 89%. Okay, so that's just random. So when we would be actually needing such kind of thing, then we'll enter the actual attendance percent of students. We click on OK. It asks us to update the recipient list, so we are saving it. Now we click here on OK, and we go to next. Click on here, the write your letter, next step. Then we have already created some content. We can so here we would be clicking on this on the right panel. You can see more items. Click on CMRC 3016 and enter. So see, this field has been inserted. You can see here. Then we close. Click here again. Click on more items. Then CMRC 3017. Then click here again on more items. CMRC 3018. Then more items, and First, you need to click where you want your fields to be entered or data to be shown. Then CMRC 3019. So, and now we close it. We move further. Just we can decorate it faster. So this is not a good decoration. So just undo this by pressing Ctrl Z. We can see some design option in tables, or do we have some design option? Table design, and we choose yes. So we choose this. Okay. We can increase width of this course code and increase it further. We can centrally align this by clicking here outside the box. So we are just entering some text, that is, you are being informed that a student needs at least 75% aggregate attendance for appearing in end semester examination, Department of Commerce, MGCL. Okay, so the next step that we are seeing here, preview your letters. Click on preview your letters, and we see these attendance percent are entered for recipient 1. We can also edit recipient list if you want to exclude any recipient, but we don't actually need this. So we keep here, we can see the address of the name of the guardian, and then the address, this phone number, and this student's name is here, and student's full name is here, and student's first name is here. So if you click on recipient here, that you get the details for recipient 2. Then if you again click, you get this for recipient 3, then recipient 4, and recipient 5. You should click. So what we actually, at this stage, we can save this file as save as mail merge. Save this file as letters. Saved. So we have saved this file. So this is all the progress that we have. Our next step is complete the merge. So at this time, when you're clicking on these buttons, while previewing letters, we can see different addresses are changing or a student's name is changing. But when you complete the merge, the content is merged with the recipient's details. So click on this complete the merge, and here we get the option of printing the document or edit individual letters. So we would be clicking on edit individual letters, merge records. In that we choose all, because we have only 5 records, or otherwise we have options of having fewer records or only current records. So we choose this merge records all. Then as we click on merge records, we get another file name, and that is the letters, and one is added as a suffix. And so we had 5 records and we have got 5 pages, so almost similar content. And only this attendance percentage and student's name and guardian's address, all those are different or customized. So that is how this mail merge thing works. And you can further want to customize individual letters, so we can do that. Otherwise you can directly uh, print this file, and this mail merge is completed. The step by step mail merge wizard is completed. So when you need to send, suppose you want to send the similar content to hundreds of individuals, so in that case this is very useful. You don't need to paste the contents 100 times. You just, if you have some existing database, you can merge the database by inserting the fields at the required places, and you merge the thing, and that will save your repetitive hard work. So that is how this mail merge works. Thank you.